Want to see how we can turn a paper character into an animated puppet? Just using a few small pins. For this project, you don't need to draw the character again. I've made a printable version of this exact character for you. Just print it out and get it ready, just like I did.
You're too late, llama!
And if you want to learn how to draw this character yourself, check out the tutorial. I've put the link to the short character drawing tutorial here. You only need 3 things to get started: the printed character, scissors, and a few pins. Now let's see how these little pins can make our character move. First, cut all the pieces along the cut lines. Now we need to make the holes for our joints. These holes help the pins stay exactly where they need to go. Make sure the holes line up perfectly on both pieces. Now let's connect them with this pin. Open the back of the pin and fold it down like this so it stays nice and small. Now let's connect the pin. Now the waist can move. Now let's make the legs move and connect the pieces together. We're going to connect the lower leg to the thigh at the knee. Push the pin through both pieces. Now let's connect the foot to the lower leg. This time, the pin goes through the ankle. Now we have a moving leg. Let's do the same thing for the other leg. Now both legs can move. Now let's work on the arms. First, connect the forearm to the upper arm at the elbow. Now the elbow can bend and straighten. Next, connect the hand to the forearm at the wrist, and now the wrist can move too. Our hand can now make lots of different movements. Now it's time to put all the pieces together, and here's our moving puppet. Now comes my favorite part. With these joints, you can give your character any movement you want. To make an animation, move your character just a little bit, take a picture. Move it a little bit more. and take another. When you play the pictures back to back, your character starts to move.
Whoa!
This city needs a guardian.
Now it's your turn. Print the character, cut out the pieces, punch the holes, and connect everything with pins. You can make it walk, run, wave, jump, or do any movement you want. And don't forget, if you want to learn animation in a really simple way, make sure to follow us. Bye! See you in the next one. Bye!